I understand.
Are we going?
What up, bro?
What's up, man?
Today, we're driving this. Would you like to give me some details?
Yeah, I got the Cobb J-Pipe.
Wait, what year is it?
2018.
2018 WRX, right?
Yep, just no STI.
No STI, all right.
So it's got the Cobb J-Pipe, it's straight pipes all the way back, 2.5. It's got the Cobb intake, it's got a Boomba bypass valve. That's it.
So, hold on. You got intake?
Intake, J-pipe, and bypass valve.
And you're on
330.
You're on 93?
Yeah. It's 93 mixed with race fuel.
So like an E blend?
Yeah. So.
What, like E30, E50, or is it like an octane boost? Or are you running like 104 or something?
It's like 104 basically.
Okay, I got you. That's dope. Other than that, it's stock, right?
Yeah, everything else is stock.
Manual?
Stock cars. Well, not stock cars, but stock rims.
Hell yeah. And you're giving me permission to drive it, right?
Yeah, drive it.
All right, bet. Well, shit, I guess we could go ahead then. You said it made
330.
330 wheel. How much torque?
348.
348 pound-feet of torque?
Something like that.
A lot more than mine. Hell yeah. This shit looks awkward as fuck. People driving by see me with a fucking shit on my head. Turbo noises.
Yeah, that's that bypass valve.
Why'd you get a WRX? Asking for
my dad.
Bought it off your dad?
Yeah. I had a Elantra. I always wanted a Supra.
A Supra or
Yeah. Mach 4 Supra.
Yeah, that's everybody's dream car.
Yeah. For an old Skyline. But no, he had this thing. I thought it was ugly at first. I was like, nah.
Yeah. I really like this body style personally.
Yeah, it's nice. I like the older ones, the 04s.
Uh-huh.
I like those ones. But it grew on me, so I was like, well, might as well buy it.
Feel you.
And that's how I ended up with it. We turn the arrow so you actually get all the power. The best I've got on 0 to 60 is high 4s though.
That's not bad.
And the tires are worn down, so. I need to get wall speakers, the stock wall speakers.
Honestly, bro, like the interior on these are like such a far step ahead of like the previous generations.
I ain't even seen the older interiors.
You can definitely tell it's like a $20,000 drivetrain with like a $10,000 interior. Well, this is more like a $15,000 drivetrain with a $15,000 interior. It's a nice compromise, you know?
Yeah, the interior in this thing is nice.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
No, I've never even seen an old WRX in person.
That's because you're always on the fucking road.
Yeah.
Only 25,000 miles.
Yeah, $16,000.
That ain't bad at all.
No.
This car needs suspension.
Yeah, I know.
It really like, cause we hit 80, which is relatively quick, but like the suspension made it not feel quite like 80. Cause the suspension on these,
it's stiff.
I think, well, maybe because I'm used to like STIs.
Yeah.
Ooh, can we try a launch? Are you comfortable with that?
Yeah, you're good. I do it all the time. Yeah, the next thing I'm getting on this thing is coilovers.
Do I need to turn traction off or anything?
Oh yeah, you probably should. I feel like it drives better with traction control.
Track mode?
Yeah.
Is that it right there?
Yeah.
That feels good.
Yeah, I was still trying to work on the launch control. I'm trying to find the right RPM.
Damn.
That other WRX you drove? What was the horsepower on that thing?
The other STI?
Yeah.
He was making about 315 too. But the STIs feel a lot rougher.
Really?
It's way more raw of a car. And so it kind of, he was on stock suspension too, and that's what I was saying about the suspension. Like, he was on stock suspension and it felt a lot rougher than this car.
More mechanical?
Yeah, the car feels,
Nice.
these still feel very mechanical, but yeah.
Not as.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Coilovers is definitely the next thing I'm getting.
Left or right, what you think?
I know the way to right. I don't know the way left.
Bro, this shit feel good.
Yeah, we were surprised when it made 330.
What did you think it was gonna make?
Like 3. I know right has some back roads, and I don't know about left.
Alright, I'm gonna have to get used to these damn inputs.
And I think left has back roads. I was trying to put a boost controller on when I got it tuned. Left is towards northeast.
This shit fun, bro. That's a weird ass road.
Yeah, I don't know how that thing works. Big ass truck.
Gotta love North Carolina.
Yeah.
That's a big bitch.
Makes you want one.
Every time I drive an all-wheel drive car, I'm like, damn, I need an all-wheel drive car.
Yeah, they're fun.
I need me one of those.
Yeah,
Then I can
big
get
old
in the car I
excavators
want.
or whatever.
What you think we should go?
Right is back towards Pikeville. Straight has back roads. Left, I think, has back roads.
We'll try left. I'm gonna wait for that car to go.
Figure out how to turn that hill assist crap off.
I ain't even noticed it.
Yeah, if you go up the hill, you let off the clutch, it doesn't go nowhere.
It's definitely more mechanical than my GTI. Not as mechanical as STIs. I haven't driven this body style STI though, so I don't know how it compares to the previous generation.
What year was that STI you drove?
2014, so like the very last body style, I think. 2014 or 2011, but it was the same body style.
It was the body style before this.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But definitely feels more drivery than my GTI. I really like this interior and shit. It feels, the power feels good. I mean, shit. I don't know.
It feels better after the tune.
Yeah.
Stock.
Just in case that's a cop. Right. That looks like a newer one though, so I doubt it's a cop. No, it wasn't a cop.
There was a couple cops riding my ass on the way over here.
I believe it. They were just waiting for you to do some stupid shit.
Yeah. Undercover black Challenger Chargers.
You know, for pretty simple mods, this shit feels good.
Two mods. And then the, well, three. The Boomba. I don't know where right goes. I know left goes back to the pipe goes.
Can we try one more launch?
Yeah.
Can you raise it?
Yeah.
Have you tried raising it before?
No.
Oh god.
I'm only gonna raise like a couple. What's it at right now?
It was at like $2 grand, 2,500 or some shit.
24. I'll put it to like
6,000.
That was spinning.
Nah, shit, bro. On the STI, I mean, I believe his transit's a lot stronger. Yeah. But his was set at like $5 grand. And come on, focus. Focus, please. There we go. All right, so the GoPro died mid-drive, but I mean, I already got most of the footage I needed. We back now. What did you think riding in the passenger seat?
Felt weird, but hey, you did.
It always feels weird riding in the passenger seat because you don't know if you're gonna die or not.
Right.
That's the crazy part. You don't know if you're gonna die. But I really like this fucking car. This is the second one I've driven. I like them. I think they're great, like starter cars if you're just getting into them. They're good first cars. Good car to learn on. Pretty easy to drive. Interior's pretty decent too. I like them. But I appreciate it, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta hit me up sometime. I'm in the video right there. Thank you all for watching. Peace.